Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to hem jeans. You will only need a needle, thread, and scissors. For convenience, it is better to pin the side seams with pins. Let's get started. First, you need to pick out some thread. In my case, I need to choose blue or gray thread. Now we need to sew the trouser leg along its entire length. The smaller the distance between stitches, the better and more beautiful your seam will be. Please write where you are from. I would be very pleased to know that my small channel is watched in different countries. Now we need to cut off the excess fabric so that it doesn't get in the way. You can use threads of any color here. They will not be visible. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.